Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to jump start a Mini Clubman. Check both batteries for damage and leaks, confirm both are 12V, and position cars safely with parking brakes set. Remove plastic covers from terminals if present, and identify positive and negative terminals on each battery. Keep a reliable set of jumper cables ready and follow the cable connection order I explain next. Start with the positive side, red to dead battery positive, then red to donor battery positive, then black to donor negative, and finally black to a grounded metal point on the Clubman away from the battery. Double-check each clamp is tight and not touching moving parts. If cables spark heavily, stop and reposition. After connecting, start the donor car and let it run to build charge before attempting to start the Mini. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more videos like this. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading while you wait for a tow or during breaks, and it fits neatly in a glove box or bag. I find it perfect for car manuals and how-to guides on the go. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Once the donor car runs, wait a couple minutes to allow current to flow into the Mini's battery. Try starting the Clubman. If it turns over, let both engines idle for a few minutes to stabilize voltage. Remove the clamps in reverse order: black from ground, black from donor negative, red from donor positive, red from the dead battery positive. Drive the Mini for at least 15 minutes to recharge the battery sufficiently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.